my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for watching my video. Please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the family. For the current subscribers, welcome back. So today I am back with a stuffed waffle video. This one will be like stuffed with like a strawberry pie filling. So I'm just going to jump into the video. I'm not feeling that well, but I wanted to come back and bring you a video because I said I was going to try to get you one before the weekend was out. So here, this is about 1 1/3 cup of pancake mix. I have some milk, so let me try to add some milk. Normally, I mix it with buttermilk, but I don't have any, so we're just going to use some regular milk. Hopefully everyone is doing good today. Happy Saturday. It is 11:19 in the morning here. I am in Wisconsin. For those that don't know. Let's see. Let me add a little bit more milk. Once I mix everything up and I start to like get ready to pour it and plug up the waffle maker, I will go ahead and tilt my camera down so you can see what I'm doing. Just want to make sure this is all good and mixed up. Hopefully if anybody has any plans today, you all stay safe. You guys drop down in the comments and let me know where you are located at. I would like to know where everyone is at that subscribe to my channel. That would be awesome. Okay, so I'm just trying to make sure that all the lumps are out. So this strawberry pie filling is not something I made. It's just, it's in a can. Just so you know, it literally has chunks of strawberries, just so you know. Let's see what it, okay. All right. Not too bad. Not too bad. So let me try to get this plugged up. And then I'll adjust the camera so you can see what I'm doing. One second, you guys. Hold on 1 second. Hold on, let me try to plug this up and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I'm just gonna spray this. It tells you don't have to, like, as y'all can remember, but I did it before. I'm gonna do it again, because I've seen some in the past that stated that they their waffles got stuck. So I don't run into that. I just prefer not to deal with that. I just want to add a little bit more milk to, so, because it looks a little bit thick. So while this is actually warming up, it actually warms up pretty quickly because it's already kind of hot. And I'll most likely add a little bit of strawberries and sauce and whipped cream on the outside of it, just to make it pretty or whatnot. So I'm just gonna put it at the bottom just to cover the bottom. Right? Now I'm going to add a decent amount okay. And now I'm just going to add some to the top to cover up the filling. Okay, so now I'm just gonna cover the lid. I'm gonna let it cook for maybe like a minute before I go ahead and flip it over, because it has to be flipped over. So most likely I'm gonna turn this around so I have the room to flip it. So once I get ready to flip it, well, you know what, I'll just stay on here until I get ready to flip it. So give it another 20 seconds, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and flip the waffler over. And then it has to cook for possibly about seven minutes. Just to make sure everything is like cooked in the inside and things of that sort. But yeah. So I hope you all are really, really proud of me. This is the third video that you all have received this week. So was definitely a bit much. My stomach is a little bit queasy this morning, but I'm trying to make it through. Okay, so I'm gonna flip it. So this right here, you just do it like that. And this is just some oil from the canola spray that I put. Okay, so I'm gonna let that cook for possibly about 7 minutes, and then I will be back. Okay, I'm back, guys. So, let's see. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Some of the filling came out, but it's okay. So, this is what it came out. I'm about to, you know, make it all pretty and whatnot. So, I think I want to put some Cool Whip on top of it, hopefully. But I think I might better put the Cool Whip on top of the strawberries. I'm just gonna put like just a little bit on top of the waffle on top of it, you know, just for decoration. It's a little bit, I mean, it's some on the inside, as y'all know, but I was gonna put the whipped cream on top of it and then that, but I decided to put the whipped cream on top of this since my waffle is still hot. Give me just a second. One sec. Just so you know, you do have to make this waffle or the waffle mix a little bit on the thicker side, because if it's too thin and you fill it like you stuff it, it won't so just like a dab, right? And then I have some, it's Cold Stone Creamery strawberry dessert topping that I'm just gonna make it look pretty. All right. So, I know y'all want me to taste this on camera. So let me get my fork. Say, I'm back. Hi. So this is what it looked like, you guys. I hope you like what this looked like, okay? Because I really tried to make it look pretty. So let's see. You see, it's still hot. It kind of has a cake consistency. Another thing that I thought about doing, I might do like a stuffed waffle with like a pineapple supreme cake mix, and either stuff it with like a cream cheese filling, or with like with some pineapples on the inside. But yeah, I might do that. But I'm also gonna do like a chocolate, a stuffed waffle out of a chocolate cake, and I'm gonna stuff it with like some cream cheese icing. But as you can see what it looks like, let's have a taste. That is really good, you guys. That is really good. But anyway, drop down in the comments and give me some ideas. This video will go live today, this afternoon. So leave your girl a comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And until the next video, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.